All right, here we come to a big-sized elevator that I just randomly stumbled across on at the, what's this building name? Computer Services Building. And whoa, this is oh my gosh, this is huge. Whoa, this is big. This is a huge, oh, you going up?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, this is huge. This is one of the biggest elevator I've ever seen. It only goes a half step. Wow, this is huge. I didn't even know this elevator was here. Check this out. It's got the bumper. The motor is dry powered. It only goes half step. Yeah, this floor is locked. I'm gonna take it for one more ride. Oh, so this is for this door right here, and this for that door right there. I don't mean to take for so many rides. I just didn't even know this was here. I might go for one more ride. Oh, there's your phone. This is confusing. £10,000. This is one of the biggest Dover impulse elevators that I have ever seen. Look at this thing. This is big. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.